It was at night, around 9. Power had already gone off. I was already inside the house sleeping. When I heard the alarm, I tried to open the door, but then the water was on a high speed. It entered inside the house because the water had a lot of pressure. We had to run. All the things in my house got destroyed, the bed got wet. I was so scared because it was dark, no power. You cannot see where you're going. You're just tracing the way by the legs and your hands. As a survivor, I always advise my community members to dig up trenches. I always have meetings with them. We do hygiene and promotion. I also encourage them to plant trees. I'm doing this because I don't want my fellow community members to also be a victim as I was.